What is anthropology? Study of the origin and development of human societies and cultures. The study of the bodies and behavior of human-like species such as monkeys and apes is called primatology. The written description of a culture that an anthropologist produces from his/her research is called ethnography. Who defined anthropology as the science of the nature of man? Weights, term used to refer to biological maximum number of birth, is fecundity. Process by which cultural traits spread from one group or society to another is called cultural diffusion. Enculturation is process by which a child learns his or her culture. Process by which individuals are socially attached to their parents are called filiations. Who is regarded as an armchair anthropologist? James Fraser. The book Ancient Society is written by Lewis Henry Morgan. Clyde Cluckhorn was a famous anthropologist who belonged to which country? USA. What was the name of Charles Darwin's epoch-making book? The Origin of Species. Who defined culture as comprises inherited artifacts, goods, technical processes, ideas, habits and values? Malinowski. Huxley explained origin of man in which of his books? The Man's Place in Nature. What is another name of human evolution? Anthropogenesis. Humans, apes, monkeys belongs to which order of primates? Anthropoids. Common link between apes and man was Dryopithecus. The extinct human ancestor, who ate only fruits and hunted with stone weapons, was Australopithecus. Man belongs to which superfamily? Hominoidae. Which primate is closest to man regarding organic evolution? Sinanthropus. Which is the earliest known ancestor of man? Australopithecus afarensis. What was the most significant trend in the evolution of modern man, Homo sapiens, from his ancestors? Increasing brain capacity. What is the most likely reason for the extinction of the Homo neanderthalensis? Overhunting by Homo sapiens. When did Homo sapiens first migrate out of Africa? 60,000 years ago. What is the most likely reason for the extinction of the Homo erectus? Climate change. The primate which arose during Ice Age between 75,000 to 10,000 years ago is modern Homo sapiens. Agriculture and human settlement started about 10,000 years ago. In human evolution, the development of the brain and language is an example of parallel evolution. The most recent human species Homo naledi has been discovered from South Africa. A woman who shares a husband with one or more other women in a polygynous union are called co-wife. Who formulated the widely accepted evolutionary classification of social types into band, tribe, chiefdom and state? Aylman R. Service. Concept alienation was first introduced by Karl Marx. Which epoch is called the Age of Apes? Miocene. Gerontology is study of aged and aging. Male bias or tendency to underestimate or ignore female perspective is androcentrism. The absence of a marriage rule that is a system which is neither endogamous nor exogamous is agamy. The family in which after marriage husband comes to reside in the family of her wife is known as matrilocal family. The family in which after marriage wife comes to reside in the family of her husband is known as patrilocal family. The newly married couple goes to live with wife's uncle, then it is avunculocal residence. If a woman marries several men and lives together with all husbands and children, it is called polyandrous family. In which state the highest number of tribal are found in India? Madhya Pradesh. Which method is used in anthropology to examine cultures of various societies? Cross-cultural comparison. What is anthropometry? Science that defines physical measures of a person's size, form, and functional capacities. The term anthropometry was coined by Georges Cuvier. Which primitive group is associated with the first use of fire in the course of human evolution? Homo erectus. In which year Émile Durkheim gave the notion self-slaughter? 1951. The perspective that all feature of a culture must be work in connection with each other is holism. The viewpoint that you can recognize or judge another culture in terms of your own culture is called ethnocentrism. Ethnology is the study of human race. The Sacred Complex of Hindu Gaya was written by L.P. Vidyarthi. Marriage outside the group is called exogamy. Sagotra and Sapravara marriages are forbidden by Hindu Dharma Shastra. Social anthropology is called the natural science of society. The primitive societies are fast changing in the present-day world due to cultural contact. According to Sigmund Freud, man's most important two innate needs are hunger and sex. The classical Hindu joint family is getting weak in the context of globalization. Kinship is defined as the connection or relationship between persons by blood or marriage. Who used the word aboriginals to refer tribes in India? Risley V. Elwin. Northeastern zone of tribes in India mainly belong to which race? Mangaloids. Process when a person learns the requirements of culture by he or she is surrounded, values and behaviors that are appropriate or necessary of that culture. Enculturation.
Thanks for watching Speed GK YouTube channel. Please support our YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and also please share this video with your friends. Thank you.